I'm going to solve this linear system by elimination. 1/3 x plus 1/2 y equals negative 1/2. I'll call that equation 1. 1/5 x minus 1/3 y equals 27/5. I'll call that equation number 2. I'm going to start off by eliminating the fractional coefficients in both equations. To do this, I'm first going to determine the least common multiple, or LCM, of the denominators in each equation. In equation 1, I have denominator 3, denominator 2, and denominator 2. The least common multiple, or LCM, of these three denominators is 6. In equation 2, I have denominator 5, denominator 3, and denominator 5. The least common multiple, or LCM, of these three denominators is 15. Now, I'm going to multiply each equation by the corresponding LCM that I just determined. In other words, I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 6, and I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 15. So equation 1 gets multiplied by 6. All terms get multiplied by 6. So I'll get 6 times 1/3 x plus 6 times 1/2 y equals 6 times negative 1/2. 6 times 1/3 x is 2x, plus 6 times 1/2 y is 3y, equals 6 times negative 1/2 is negative 3. So I get 2x plus 3y equals negative 3. This equation will be equivalent to equation number 1. The second equation gets multiplied by 15. All terms get multiplied by 15. So I'll get 15 times 1/5 x minus 15 times 1/3 y equals 15 times 27/5. 15 times 1/5 x is 3x, minus 15 times 1/3 y is 5y, equals 15 times 27/5 is 81. So I get 3x minus 5y equals 81. This equation will be equivalent to equation number 2. So I have 2x plus 3y equals negative 3, and 3x minus 5y equals 81. I'll call this equation 3, and I'll call this equation 4. Now, I can either eliminate the x terms or the y terms. If I were to eliminate the y terms, I'd multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 3, because in this way, I'd get a 15y piece here and a negative 15y piece here. And therefore, if I were to add the resulting equivalent equations, the y terms would be eliminated. However, in this case, I'm actually going to eliminate the x terms. I'm going to do that by multiplying equation 3 by negative 3 and equation 4 by 2. Because I'll get a negative 6x piece here, and I'll get a 6x piece here, and therefore, when I add the resulting equivalent equations, the x terms will be eliminated. So I'm going to multiply equation 3 by negative 3 and equation 4 by 2. All pieces get multiplied by negative 3 here. So I'll get negative 6x minus 9y equals 9. I'll call that equation 5. All three pieces here get multiplied by 2. So I'll get 6x minus 10y equals 162. I'll call that equation 6. Now I'm going to add equations 5 and 6 to eliminate the x terms. Negative 6x plus 6x is 0. Negative 9y plus negative 10y is negative 19y. 9 plus 162 is 171. So I get negative 19y equals 171. Negative 19y means negative 19 times y. So to get y by itself on the left-hand side, I'm going to divide the left-hand side by negative 19. But because I divide the left-hand side by negative 19, I must also divide the right-hand side by negative 19. Negative 19 divided by negative 19 is 1, and 1 times y will be just y on the left-hand side. And 171 divided by negative 19 is negative 9. So I get y equals negative 9. Now, I can substitute y equals negative 9 into either equation and solve for x. I'm going to substitute it into equation number 3. 2x plus 3y equals negative 3. So where I see y, I substitute in negative 9. So I'll get 2x plus 3 times negative 9 equals negative 3. On the left-hand side, that will be 2x minus 27 equals, on the right-hand side, negative 3. Now I want to get x by itself on the left-hand side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 27 to the left-hand side. But if I add 27 to the left-hand side, I must also add 27 to the right-hand side. Minus 27 plus 27 will be 0. So on the left-hand side, I'll have 2x plus 0, which is just 2x. And on the right-hand side, negative 3 plus 27 is 24. So I get 2x equals 24. Now I want to get x by itself on the left-hand side. 2x means 2 times x. So to do this, I'm going to divide the left-hand side by 2. But because I divide the left-hand side by 2, I must also divide the right-hand side by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times x will be just x on the left-hand side, and 24 divided by 2 is 12 on the right-hand side. So I get x equals 12. So the solution to this system is x equals 12, y equals negative 9.